Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing very well in Google classes. Last time, you know that I told you about running, and you all know that running is very important because mostly all games depends on running. If we are good in running, then we can join any game. So, students, today I am showing you some exercise, some skills through some video clips, and I will show you some exercise which will strengthen your legs and your techniques of running. So please uh, watch the video very carefully and try to understand it and apply it whenever you are going outside any park, any playground. Then apply this practice and try to do this practice. Now we are starting. Students, while running, your hand position, your hand movement is very important. If you control your hand movement, that time so you can balance your body and you can get speed also. So I am showing you here one activity, one practice by which you can balance your hand while running, and it will be very beneficial for you. Try to do that practice. Now I am showing you. First you need to sit on a floor like that. You have to sit on a floor like that. This is, and keep your hands like that, and keep place one hand here, and do not try to touch the floor. Only place one hand here back, and second hand place here near about your head like that, and switch the hands like this, one, two, and try to do it with speed. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It will balance your hand while you will run. And do that practice only 2 or 3 minutes per day. You will see after a week or after a month, your hand will be automatically balanced. Second exercise, what you can do for getting stamina, for getting strength into your legs. This is very simple practice. You can do it very easily. You have to stand like that and raise your one foot like this, and this is single leg squatting. You can say it single leg squatting, and make your hands like that and do that practice like this. 1, up, 2, down, up, 3, 4, and 5. 5 times from one leg, and now switch the leg and repeat the same practice with other leg like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. You can do that practice. Next practice I will show you. Next one, you can place anything like that. I am using that box. You can do these practice inside your room, inside your house also. These are very simple practice. Keep this one object on the floor and check there is enough area for moving, and with the help of one foot try to round it and go back also, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Try to do it, and next time with next foot do the same practice like that. You can repeat it so many times, okay, for getting the strength in legs. These are the very good leg exercise by which you can get strength, and you will see for long distance running, you will never tired. Okay, so these are very good practice. You have to do this practice daily. Friends, one exercise what you can do, you can use your chair or sofa. I'm using that one for doing my exercise, for strengthening my legs. So you just simply put one foot here like that on the table or on the sofa where you can easily reach. Keep one foot like that place and one foot like this, and make your hands again like that and go down. 1 up, 2 up, 3 up, 4 up, 5 up, 6 up, 7 up, 8 up, 9 up, 10 up. Now switch the leg and keep another leg like that and do the same activity again 10 times. How? 1 up, 2 up, 3 up, 4 up, 5 up, 6 up, 7 up, 8 up, 9 up, 10 up. It will also very good exercise to strengthen your thighs area, and it will help you while you will run. Thank you. Students, if you have enough area, if you have any garden or little space, you can practice like that also. If you have cones, if you don't have cone, you can make cone by any waste paper, by any cardboard paper. You can paint this cardboard paper and you can use this cardboard paper as a cone, and you can practice like that boy. It will also very help to improve your running. How he is running like that? He is doing zigzag running, that first point, and now he is reaching next point like that. And you can make your own design what you like. And whenever you are going for a picnic, any park or any other place, if you find some place like that, you can bring your cupboard or bring your cones with you, and you can do that practice also. It is very interesting activity, and it will develops the strength of legs very much. So you can do these activities also for improving your running skills. Now look at that boy, how he is running. Hope you will like and you will enjoy and you will do the practice, because only practice can make a man perfect. By talking or by watching, it will not be possible to become a good player. Whenever you want to become a good player or become a good runner, you need to practice. So please, after watching that video, try to practice it, try to apply it, then only you will get benefited. Otherwise it will like a movie, you will never get any benefit from that clip. So try to do these practice better. Always try to do the practice. Okay, bye, be safe and enjoy. Thank you.